Okay, so now let's see how the lights looks in the warehouse. This is a regular light, about I think 3, 4, 5 watt that I bought. As you can see, we can see something, but it is not really good when it is dark at night. We'll try to show. Okay, so the camera is very sensitive to light, so we can see, but this is the new light. Now I will turn it on and you will see the difference of this project. So let's go over and see how I installed it. So this is the light connected to regular housing with a magnet. There is a magnet upstairs. It is just by magnet. I took out 2 wires. The 2 wires are going to regular Gavis switch, on-off switch, and you have the wires going with a tape. It is glued to the metal part of the warehouse, and there I have a USB power bank with again a magnet that is holding the power bank, and this is how it is working. As you can see, I will show you the difference between the 2 lights. This is the regular light LED that I was using till now. Now I will turn on the other light, and you can see this is like a daylight working perfectly with a 5-volt power bank, regular power bank. That's all for now. Hope you enjoy, and thank you, and bye.